Can you name the top 3 richest tribe in Nigeria?
Okay, the top 3 richest tribe in Nigeria, I think the Hausa tribe will have the first spot, and the Yoruba tribe will have the second spot, and I think the Niger Delta tribe will have the third spot. When I say Niger Delta, I mean the Urobo, Isoko, and the rest of them there. I think they will have the third spot.
So what of the Igbo tribe?
To be honest, the question is the richest tribe in Nigeria, not the wealthiest tribe. This is a tribe that each family you go, there is a millionaire there. This is a tribe that sees not having money as an issue, as a spiritual problem, as a cause. They are not comfortable like being poor. So this is a tribe that is like that. So you didn't ask me the wealthiest, you asked me the richest. So I gave you the list of the richest tribe, because the Igbo tribe are not the richest, they are the wealthiest tribe in Nigeria. Thank you.